Welcome to the Backcountry Kitchen. I'm going to be making enchiladas today, and I want to show you, I'm going to be using the FlatCat Gear Snow Leopard. It's a small individual serving cook pot, and well, the pot is separate, but I got this from Toaks from Amazon.com. But this is a great little stove, really simple, folds right up. So I've got 2 cups of water in here in my pot, and so with that I'm going to use a little over a ½ ounce of alcohol. Find that brings it to a boil really well. ½ ounce just isn't quite enough, so a little bit over ½ ounce. One of the things I like about the FlatCat Gear alcohol stove is that you light it, and then you put your stuff on, and that's it. You're ready to go. No priming required at all. You just get it right in there and it's ready to go. I go ahead and put my ingredients in right away. Although the tortilla chips, I keep those separate. So what do I have in here? Well, I have a ½ cup of rice, and I have a ¼ cup of sweet potatoes, and a ¼ cup of dehydrated chicken. And then my sauce is an enchilada sauce that I make, and the recipe's on my blog, and that's a ¼ cup of that as well. And so all together it's about 2 cups of material, and then I have a ½ cup of these broken up tortilla pieces, and that seems to be about right. So I'm going to let this go, and I'm going to let it rehydrate or get it to boil, and I'll show you where it goes from there. Alright, look in here, and we got a nice little boil going on, and it's pretty well rehydrated, but you can see it's still a little bit soupy, which is fine with me, and it still has some time to rehydrate as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it off the heat and put it in to the pot cozy. And I love this pot cozy. This thing's amazing. But basically, you just pop it in there. Oop, that's the lid. Oops, that was a little bit sketchy. So you put it in here, and then now you're going to add your tortillas. Because you don't want those to totally cook and boil, because they'll just dissolve and disintegrate into nothing. But once you take it off the heat, mix it in. The rest. Mix it in pretty good so that you get it relatively evenly distributed. Put the lid on. Put the top of the pot cozy on. And now we let that sit for 10 minutes, and then it'll be all done. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's see how the enchiladas turned out. Take off the cozy and the lid. Ah, very nice. You can see it's still saucy, but it has taken up all that liquid. And the beauty of using the pot cozy is that you don't burn it. So you cook it only when there's still a lot of water left, so you never get that burn at the bottom. All right. Let's see how it is. Got my little ultralight cup. This is one of those Ziploc Tupperware containers. Those really cheap ones, but they work pretty well as a very lightweight cup. There's a lot of bowl, and it fits into this. But honestly, what I like to do is to just eat right out of the pot. This works really well. The cozy keeps it insulated so it doesn't get hot to your hands. And while holding this, it's pretty hot on my hands right now. And it also helps to keep it insulated so it keeps it warm on the inside so the food doesn't go cold before you're all done. So enchiladas with chicken and rice and sweet potatoes. Check it out. I've got the full recipe at my blog at www.backcountrycuisine.net. Alright, take care all, and see you in the backcountry. Eat well.